Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the story of an unfortunate ship with unfortunate passengers. The tragedy at sea. It starts when construction of the Titanic began on March 31, 1909 in Belfast, Ireland. The construction was completed in May 1911. In 1909, when the ship was constructed, that deadly iceberg was also forming somewhere in the ocean. Fitting out phase starts. The maiden voyage begins on April 10, 1912. The ship received 6 warnings of sea ice on that day, but was traveling at a speed of roughly 22 knots when her lookout sighted the iceberg. On April 11, 1912, the Titanic makes its final European stop at Queenstown, Ireland. The iceberg was spotted, but it was too late to avoid the collision. First distress signals were sent. Carpathia rushes towards the Titanic. It was another ship. Unable to turn quickly enough, the ship suffered a glancing blow that buckled her starboard side and opened 6 of her 16 compartments to the sea. After hitting the iceberg, it took the Titanic 2 hours and 40 minutes to sink. It was a 60-minute delay between when the massive ship crashed and when the lifeboats began to be deployed. Over 2,200 people were on board when the ship hit the iceberg. Approximately 1,500 people died. Titanic was 269 meters long. It had 10 decks. The Titanic was claimed by its builders to be practically unsinkable. There were only enough lifeboats for a third of the people on board. It took more than 70 years for divers to uncover the Titanic.